Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and theories. And in this video, we are going to discuss the term analogue in literature. Introduction. In literary studies, the term analogue refers to a word or concept that bears similarity or serves as a parallel to another. In literature, an analogue denotes a story or theme that can be found in parallel examples across different languages, cultures, or literary traditions. Analogues play a crucial role in understanding the cross-cultural influences and the evolution of literary themes and narratives across time and space. Analogue in literature. The concept of analogue is particularly significant in literature where certain stories, themes, or motifs recur across different cultures and periods. These recurring elements are not mere coincidences but reflect the shared human experience and the transmission of stories across borders. Analogues demonstrate how certain tales have universal appeal and can be adapted to fit various cultural contexts while retaining their core message. Chaucer's The Pardoner's Tale. A well-known example of literary analogue is Geoffrey Chaucer's The Pardoner's Tale, which is part of the Canterbury Tales. This tale, with its moral lesson against greed, has parallels in many other languages and literatures, particularly during the Middle Ages. The basic plot, which revolves around the destructive power of greed, was widely distributed across Europe with variations in each culture's interpretation. The Oriental origins of the Pardoner's Tale. Interestingly, the roots of the Pardoner's Tale can be traced back to an ancient Oriental origin. A primitive version of this story exists in a 3rd century Buddhist text known as the Jatakas. The Jatakas are a voluminous body of literature native to India concerning the previous births of Gautam Buddha in both human and animal form. This connection underscores the extensive reach and influence of Eastern literature on Western storytelling traditions. The Italian analogue. The version of the story that is usually considered the closest analogue to Chaucer's tale is found in the Italian text Libro di Novelle e di Belle Parole Gentile, which was written in 1372, nearly 200 years after Chaucer's tale. This Italian version illustrates how stories can evolve and adapt to different cultural environments while maintaining a fundamental narrative structure. The importance of analogue in literary analysis. Understanding analogues is vital for literary analysis as it offers insights into how stories evolve, spread, and influence one another across different cultures. By studying analogues, scholars can trace the lineage of a particular narrative and examine the cultural exchanges that shape literary traditions. This exploration reveals the universality of certain themes and how they resonate with different audiences across time and space. Conclusion. The concept of an analogue in literature highlights the interconnectedness of human cultures and the shared narratives that transcend geographical and temporal boundaries. The Pardoner's Tale serves as an exemplary case of how a single story can have multiple analogues across different literatures, reflecting both the universality of its message and the rich tapestry of cultural exchange that has characterized literary history. Understanding these analogues enriches our appreciation of literature as a global, dynamic, and interconnected phenomenon. So this was the discussion on the term analogue in literature. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.